right, so February 18. Right now I'm currently looking for forex pair. Um, so what am I expecting on this NZDJPY is the weekly week pullback on the weekly time frame, meaning if the weekly is previous week is bearish, so I am anticipating that this will have a pullback to continue to go down to form the weekly week um, candlestick on this current week. So on the daily time frame, what am I anticipating is the daily is bearish, which is on this area we do have shift on this structure. Hopefully, we are testing on this area of interest. So on that area of interest, all I need is to have that rejection candle on the daily, which is if your daily have that rejection or a bearish engulfing, your 4 hour will be shift. So meaning you have daily bearish, 4 hour bearish as well. So the outlook that I am waiting on the NZD is to have this retest, higher low, higher high, and then wait on the shift of structure, waiting on the bullish smaller time frame like 15, 30 an hour to have that pullback and the pullback, and then I am gonna wait for bearish shift of structure and then engulfing bearish, which is my entry signal to continue to dominating to the downside. So yeah, currently right now I am waiting for the NZD together with daily rejection candlestick, Euro USD. The reason why I didn't enter because we are on the higher high, um, higher high on the weekly time frame. So currently, right now, price action is bearish. Daily time frame, we are bullish, exactly bullish. But the only thing that I didn't enter because once again, we are on the higher high of the weekly time frame. 4 hour doesn't look good. If the 4 hour have a shift like that, then I am waiting for the pullback of the lower time frame to have a shift of structure. Yeah, so currently waiting for the forex pair. Same thing with USD CAD. Doesn't look good to me. I thought this one have a weekly week bill, but the daily doesn't give me a nice price action. So I am waiting for the 4 hour to have this shift around this red area, shift of structure, then pull back to continue to go down, just like that. Even though you have a shift of structure on the 1 hour, I'm not gonna enter in that because the daily doesn't give me a daily confirmation of rejection. This we have a rejection, but it doesn't give me like totally bearish. USD SEC, this one is the same thing with the USD CAD. Doesn't give me what I want. Currently waiting for daily rejection together with the 4 hour shift structure, just like this. JBP SEC. So this one we have a weekly week pullback, daily looking good. We have this rejection, but the 4 hour, I want the 4 hour to have a shift or either the lower time frame, just like this. Then I'm gonna look for, yeah, just like this one. We have a break and a retest, bearish engulfing. USD LPN, same thing as well. Doesn't give me my perspective of break retest, just like this. Euro GPY, this is the same thing, guys. Weekly week pullback, daily rejection, 4 hour. I need a shift structure. GJ, same thing. I need this retesting, just like that. Cat GPY, same thing as well. I need a daily rejection. 4 hour. I need a shift structure. No, the same. I mean, just like this. Shift 4 hour. GU GU daily. No, didn't trade this one right here. Not gonna look for this week. Euro CH Euro HU. This one played out already, but doesn't need the TP. Look at the no, doesn't look good. UJ, same thing. Currently waiting on that. Hopefully next week. This one choppy. Not gonna look for that. And then NAS. This one right here. So we have this rejection, right? But the 4 hour doesn't. Oh yeah, it does. So if you go to 1 hour or 30 minutes, yeah, we have a break on this area, right? You could enter this on London session or at 3 a.m. Yeah, I missed this pair, to be honest. GBP CAD, NAS, nothing. AUD, NZD, nothing. US 13, nothing. All daily's looking good though. This is what I'm saying, guys. Just right here. So if US 30 give me a pullback, I'm gonna enter with this. Just like that. Little bit pullback, higher low, continue to higher high, low, higher high, low, just like that. Market structure. AUD, this one is nothing. NZD CAD, yeah, we have a pullback. Gonna enter this. NZD CHF, I need a rejection on this one. I'm gonna keep an eye on this. AUD JPY, nothing. Yeah, that will be it.